I am extremely grateful for the advice I got, which encouraged me to take my final year project forward after university. I entered a number of business startup competitions and was awarded the funding I needed to set up my own business. It completely changed my life. Although I had actually had a graduate scheme lined up after graduating, I decided to take the risk and start my own company. Things took off surprisingly quickly, and I can honestly say that I have never had any regrets about my decision. This year the National Environmental Science Competition received excellent undergraduate and postgraduate entries from all across the country, with a wide range of projects. We are delighted that our awards are encouraging exciting and valuable projects that go beyond research and analysis to develop solutions for a number of key problems. Information about the shortlisted projects will be posted on our website in the first week of June. The aim of our research was to explore how moving home at a young age affected the development of preschool children. There are many different reasons why families choose to move home, some of which are positive and some less so. Over a period of 10 years, our research team has investigated whether the conditions surrounding moving home, or indeed the fact of moving itself, contribute to children's development problems. Our mission is to be a university that has a global significance. To be a leader in higher education, providing excellent research and teaching, and contributing to the most important issues and debates of modern times. We are proud that this university is increasingly having an impact on practice and thinking worldwide.
Will those happy days ever be forgotten by you? The library will stay open until midnight during the exam period. Next week, the department secretary will email you with the details of your tutorial groups. All students attend a safety lecture before they are allowed to use the laboratory. This college has a good reputation for both its research and its teaching. Read the instructions carefully before you start writing your essay. All students must sign the attendance register before leaving the lecture hall. This college has a good reputation for both its research and its teaching.
Since before the first moon landings of 1969, there has been interest in space travel to the moon. Lunar programs are expensive and difficult, but there are several reasons why the moon might be a good place to launch further space exploration. Firstly, a moon launch base would eliminate the most difficult aspect of space travel, namely, getting a rocket through the Earth's gravity. The journey time between, say, going to Mars from Earth rather than from the moon is not significant. However, the cost difference would be immense, as it would take 20 times less fuel to launch a spacecraft from the moon than from the Earth, due to there being less gravity on the moon. There would not need to be a drain on the Earth's resources, as the moon is rich in all the necessary minerals, such as aluminium and silicon, which would mean that the entire infrastructure needed to enable spacecraft launch from the moon could be done robotically using the materials already present.
Who specializes in the study of psychological effect of words? Who specializes in the study of Earth and its composition? What emergency service is usually called when someone is in trouble at sea? What is a person belongs to an organization called? What organ controls your speech, feelings, body movement and thoughts?